we've just recently come to the conclusion that Bigfoot is Donald Trump. And you definitely don't want Donald Trump to kiss your mother.
We're saving the planet, and if you don't want to help, then f you. To join the Team Trees fight to save the planet. Like, all jokes aside, humans are gonna be the end of this planet, if anything. We're burning up the ozone layer. I don't know, shit's going down. So if you guys didn't know, Mrbeast has joined up with the... We're trying to save the world, and Edwin's air humping my face. I'm gonna come down here. So, you know, we teamed up with Mrbeast and pretty much hundreds of, if not thousands of other YouTube creators for Team Trees. One honk equals one tree planted. Which means we will...
I was just bouncing.
I was just doing voice. Oxygen is important. It is how we breathe. And without trees, without plants, we don't have oxygen. So, you know, it's crazy to see Jimmy. He went from, Jimmy aka Mrbeast, he went from reading the entire dictionary in one sitting to actually changing the entire world. So you can do anything, you know? We're gonna be counting how many trees we're planting using this counter right here. You think they just can't read it in time, or they're assholes? What the f, dude? Dude, people suck! No wonder the Earth's getting polluted, dude. Nobody cares. Oh, okay. Okay, fuck all those people except for that guy. I think we need a bigger sign. 19. Yes. Dude, if only these people knew that every time they honk, they were saving the planet. You know why they're not honking? Why? Because they're not seeing the trees. You know, they're not like, it's not like a tree is holding this sign. So like, what if we all dressed up as trees? We have here a tree. Well, he's a bush, but it's like the distant cousin of a tree. Baby tree. Baby tree. Baby Get out there, tree. Look at these people, dude. Look at this guy. Woo! Yeah! Oh! What? Oh, we're saving the world!
Help my friend! We need more of me!
Woo! 45 trees!
Yeah.
5 more trees!
Yeah!
4 more trees! Yo, I have a genius idea. You're right. Honk for boobies. And then in parentheses at the bottom,
It says tree.
we will plant a tree every time you honk.
Yeah, but then they're honking for the wrong reason.
No, but we're still saving the world.
Fair.
Dude, we gotta get people to honk by any means necessary, okay?
True.
You think that we can just be
Oh,
nice
she
to the
tried
people
to
that
honk.
are...
Yeah!
Oh, be nice to the people polluted?
Yeah!
Boom!
Yeah!
Boom!
5 in
Who's
a row.
showing? Wait, but who's showing their boobies?
No one.
You.
Ah! Maybe the equals should be bigger and
dude.
blacked out.
All right, here. I think it should be, the tree should be a little bit shorter, and it should say planted under. It should say planted right here. Like,
What
take
if we
this
wrote-
much off and put tree planted. Because I don't think they might not understand, you know?
It could even be like tree planted. I don't know, whatever you think, dude. That looks nothing like an E, Adam.
What do you mean?
judging you, Toyota. We're judging you. Come on. Quick bang, and we can go plant more trees.
That's an extra 50! 50! Miata, you got a hug. You hug. You hug. You
We've been out here for like an hour. That's a small forest for many animals to live. Well, now that we've saved the world, we gotta give a shout out to the sponsor in today's video. Bang Energy. 0 carbs per can, 0 sugar per can, 0 calories per can, and 0 artificial colors. Shout out to Bang Energy, shout out to the Bang Energy CEO. They've been keeping us fueled up. And I'm gonna especially need this if we're going shark's tooth hunting tonight. The thing is though, this is a small town. I'm pretty sure we've gotten everyone in the entire city to honk. We need to relocate. Pack up shop! We managed to plant a couple hundred trees, which was awesome. But it got late, so we couldn't film any more clips in the street that day, but we came up with a plan to plant many more trees. And that was to go look for shark's teeth. And for every shark's tooth we find, we will plant 1 tree. But for every megalodon tooth we find, we will plant 100 trees. So we're gonna save the highway for tomorrow. Go shark's tooth hunting and save the world. All right, Merrick. How many trees did I just plant in 5 minutes? You got your first tree?
Yeah, dude. Tooth for a tree or
We got J-Diggs with us too. If he finds a meg, trees will be done in it as well, so let's keep going. Oh, Merrick's claiming 100 trees right now. Oh, that looks like it might be 100 trees to me. Ooh, damn.
yeah.
All right.
100 trees right there, baby. Oh yeah.
There you have it, folks. Not 5 minutes later. Oh. Oh. Hemi. Oh, wait a second. There's another small tooth. But look.
Ooh, that's pretty. Let me get a handful of water for it. Didn't really do anything, but that's a nice tooth. It's all there,
Oh
too.
my gosh.
dude, Jack just
That is
scored.
sharp.
100 teeth for Jared.
Makos count, right?
Yeah, that's what I do. A Mako or a Meg. 100%.
Dude, look at this.
Dude, that's 100 trees you need, dude.
Look at that.
Dude, that thing, I saw when you moved the wings, dude.
Yeah, I just found like 5 more trees. There's one more beautifully placed right there. I look to my right. What we got? Oh, that's a sick one too. 2 more trees, baby. Damn, a frag. I think that's 50 trees.
50 trees? That's
Yeah.
Dude, that's
No,
sick.
it's 3/4, so that's like 70 trees.
70 trees? All right.
All right,
70,
70 trees. There's alligator sighting. Oh, his eyes are gone.
What was that over there, mate?
Yep,
I heard a
there's
little.
his eye.
A little.
That is steep, and we are deep. Jesus, there's teeth everywhere.
Look at that thing.
Oh my god, dude.
You ready?
You are kidding. Hold
It's
on.
gonna be big, dude.
I hope so.
Ready?
Yep.
This is gonna be the tooth of the night.
As if it's whole. Oh my
Crack right
god.
there.
What the f?
Oh, feeding damage.
Oh, dude. Hold on, man. My god. Oh, the tip's all there. The let's a little chipped.
That's almost 5, isn't it?
It's close, very close.
Look
5
at the
and
needle tip on that thing too. I think that's a needle tip. Look at that.
man, that's the biggest tooth of the night for sure.
Yeah, big tooth in the night.
All right, John,
seasons this.
with this guy. Obviously, you guys just saw that.
You guys already saw
Merrick
that.
decides to come and swoop in here. You get the pull.
Right.
Yep.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh my God.
It's got a nice tip on
That's
it
a
too.
nice
Damn.
It's
a Meg.
That's a Meg.
Meg.
That's a Meg.
Another 100
Yeah.
trees. We got 200,
That's-
175 trees. Meg, look, I'm walking.
Oh shit. You guys wash all this?
Oh, that's a sweet little Meg.
Nice, dude.
All right, so we have our hauls here. 1 shark's tooth equals 1 tree planted. 1 megalodon tooth equals 100 trees planted. So me and Merrick are very quickly gonna count all of our teeth and all of our megalodons. All right, I got my full send fanny pack, you know, for the boys. Oh yeah. Damn, that's gotta be 100 trees. All right, so I have 140. I also have 1 megalodon and 1 mako. So I made out with 340 trees planted. I'd say that's pretty good. Now we're gonna let Merrick tally up the rest of his, and we'll see exactly how many trees we planted. All right, so we've successfully planted 1,336 trees. If you guys want to support the cause, we're trying to plant 20 million trees by 2020. Mrbeast set this up. All the links in the description. It's crazy that if you have a voice on social media, you can really use it to impact the entire planet, and that's exactly what Jimmy Mrbeast did. I think we can all learn from that. I think we should all try to do everything we can to push towards a cleaner future, and just shout out Mrbeast and the Arbor Day Foundation. You guys killed it with this one. I'm glad we could be a part of it. Better late than never.
Yeah. 100%. Killing it, saving the planet, saving the animals.
Save the world like this video, else Bigfoot can smoke.
What the heck?
What is that?
Yo, that bush has a sign. That's pretty sick. Oh, I love you. I would kiss your mother.
Oh, here comes somebody.
Oh, God.
Coming to spoil the fun.
Nope, he walked back.
We didn't see him through a bush.
That guy came out to yell it over there, just not there anymore.
Look at the guy in the window right here. Looking straight down at him.
Oh yeah, we still gotta finish that Bigfoot episode.
Alright, so we found a super busy road.
What the hell? Oh, it's the boys, honk, honk! Oh! Oh! You know, we've done a really good thing today, and we've kind of saved the planet. A little bit. But I don't know if this is how we should end the video. Fuck it, dude.
Hey, shop JoogSquad.com, baby.